Huwag kayo dyan, Kuya Renz.
We gathered here today to unite these two people in marriage. Their decision to marry has not been entered into writing, and today they publicly declared their private devotion to each other. Sorry, sir. Marriage, ideally, is a sharing of responsibilities, hopes, and dreams. It takes a special effort to grow together, survive hard times, and be loving and unselfish. Do you both pledge to share your lives, openly with one another, and to speak the truth in love? Do you promise to honor and tenderly care for one another, cherish and encourage each other, stand together through sorrows and joys, hardships and triumphs, for all the rest of your lives?
Haba ng father, pero yes ako.
Help me, God.
I will repeat after you. I, RJ Joseph Sanchez Matlugot,
Kamay, Kuya Renzo, kamay.
fully support. Ano daw?
Promise to love and support you.
Tama, tama mo na and support you, Alu, Peanyo. Even this day? Okay, and live it. Basahin ko.
Wala lang. Kinakabahan kasi ako eh. Nasa na ba tayo?